You know that feeling you get when you're driving down the road and your front end starts shaking so bad you feel like you've drifted onto a set of railroad tracks? Yeah, me too. A shaky suspension is oftentimes the result of your vehicle's tie rod ends going bad, and when that happens, it's time to have them replaced. And like with any job, you need the right tool. The Orion Motor Tech 5-in-1 Ball Joint Separator and Tie Rod End Remover. Packaged neatly into this molded custom ABS storage case, you'll find one ball joint separator, one tie rod end and ball joint remover, one Conical Pitman Arm Puller, one Pitman Arm and tie rod end puller, as well as one Pitman Arm Puller. These tools are well built. They feel solid in the hand, and you'll be able to tell right off that this set is built to last. And if red's not your color, the kit is also available in blue as well. Made for the purpose of separating ball joints, this tool is invaluable when working on front-end suspensions and can be used on a wide variety of domestic or imported cars, trucks, and SUVs. No matter if you're working on pitman arms or tie rod ends, this 5-in-1 tool has got you covered. Let's take a quick look at the ball joint separator in action. Don't blink or you'll miss it. Perfect every time. As a professional mechanic, I can't take chances with my clients' vehicles. I need to know when there's a job to do that I have the tools to get it done right. That's why I count on and trust the 5-in-1 ball joint separator kit from Orion Motor Tech.